In front of me is Redmi Pad Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and using this icon of a color palette at the top. Then click on Theme section, scroll down and tap on one of those themes to apply a perfect one. Then manage key borders thanks to this switcher and hit apply. To customize it instead, tap on the same color palette and this time use this plus under my themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done, manage key borders and choose apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!